I just want to say that if I die down here and you find the footage, show it to the world. None of this Steve Irwin dignity and death crap. I want the world to see it. I want to be famous, even if I have to die to do it. So it's the end of the term, and what I wanted to do was take this opportunity to talk about two things. First of all, the end of the last term, and second of all, looking forward to the next term. And like, don't get me wrong here, this is not me running about in the dead of night filming. This is 4 PM. On a Sunday afternoon. It looks like the start of John Carpenter's The Mist. Is that even what that film's called? I'm not sure.
Vlog, positive vlog. What am I meant to say then?
Hello, my name's Andrew. It's Finlay. Avid watchers of the vlog ourselves.
Hi, I'm Finlay, this is Andy. We enjoy the bit where Patrick smashes the fridge door off the wall.
So it's the end of the term, it's the Christmas holidays, it's a chance to relax, maybe go home, see friends and family, not think about studying and deadlines for a while, and you really should take it as a break and make sure that you actually relax a bit. But it's a really good opportunity as well to reflect on your past term. So what I like to try and do at this time of year is think, what is I did best this year and what can I maybe do better? If you can't afford expensive lighting equipment, let the uni do it for you. Well, thank you to the University of Glasgow for allowing me to acquisition their cones. I promise I put them back where I found them. Man, I love this place so much. Think about what it is that made this term so good and what things you could have done to even improve what you've done so far. Whether you've got 3 months left or whether you've got 3 years left. Enjoy yourself as much as you can, work as hard as you can and try and make this term the best one it can be. So I hope you have had a lovely Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in January.